Good morning, good afternoon. New setup. I know, I'll talk about it at the end of the video because I'm traveling. But yeah, not too long ago, Reezy Resell tweeted that AI is gonna kill. I'm paraphrasing a little bit too much maybe, but that AI is soon going to kill online arbitrage and that it's at least going to change it. Totally, but I totally disagree with that. I totally disagree with the take, and I'll read you the tweet, exactly the tweet. The tweet is right here if you want to see it, because you guys know I'm lazy. If you want to read right now, read it. You guys know I'm lazy. I'm not going to put the screenshot on the video, but like what he said basically is AI shopping will be the end of classic online arbitrage. There will still be opportunities to buy things that when they go out of stock, you can sell them for more. But as long as the product the customer wants is in stock somewhere, the AI will find it. Basically, price comparison will become a thing of the past. I totally disagree with it on 3 different levels. I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. But before we actually jump into the video, we have a Discord server, link in the description. Best place to ask any questions you may have about selling on Amazon. Best place to meet, to network and meet with other people actually selling on Amazon as well. So yeah, link in the description if you want to join the Discord. It's totally free. And I'm always hanging out over there answering questions. So, as I said, we have this Reezy Resell tweet, and I think it's, at best, Reezy is misinformed about online arbitrage because I don't think he has ever done online arbitrage. And no disrespect intended, but I think Reezy Resell, I think he was super deep in books and in retail arbitrage, but not necessarily with online arbitrage. And if you actually check his storefront right now, he's not doing online arbitrage. Because yes, it's super easy to find people's storefront. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's super easy to find people's storefront. You just have to dig a little bit. You can find anybody's storefront, even mine. I mean, mine is gonna be a little bit more difficult, but yeah, you can still find it if you really do your own work. And you can find anybody's storefront. All the guys on YouTube, you can find their storefront easily. And so as I said, I think it's a misinformed take. It's a bad take because it's misinformed, because as I've always said it, when you do online arbitrage, most of the time, 99% of the time, you are not going to buy a product at full retail. You are not going to buy a product at MSRP. Yes, it happens, but like, it's super rare. Maybe back in the days it was like more often that you saw stuff like that. I don't know. I was not doing online arbitrage back then, but like today, like, you're not doing this. And the tweet suggests that this is what you do when you do online arbitrage because of price comparison, and it is not. Because when you do online arbitrage, you are going to try to reduce your cost as much as you can. And I have like a ton of videos just on that subject, on how to reduce your cost, right? By using coupons, by using cashback, by using coupons, cashback, promotions, like anything that you can find that you can stack up to reduce your cost as much as you can, right? And so AI is not going to help with this because these are time-sensitive promotions. When you buy, like, the best product you can find is a product that you can find when, the shorter the time, the shorter the promotion is, like, the best the lead is going to be, because people are not going to be able to find a specific lead at the same price. Right? And so this is the most important thing when it comes to doing online arbitrage. And this is why I believe this take is misinformed, because a price comparison AI is not going to help in that case. Also, you guys saw ChatGPT and you guys lost your shit. Like, ChatGPT is just a language model, all right? We are super far away, because here's the thing. The main problem, the main issue, the main reason why retailers, all right, do sales, because we buy products at liquidation, we buy products on sale, right? It's the whole point of online arbitrage. As I said, we do not buy them on, full price. We buy them on sale, and because, retailers need to liquidate some products because the supply chain is inefficient, all right? It's just a time thing. So this week, maybe this product is on liquidation. It's not going to be next week, right? By the time someone else is looking for the product, it's not going to be right on sale anymore. And so the reason why we do this is because we take care of we take advantage of those inefficiencies of the supply chain, and then we buy those products and we sell them on Amazon, where they sell at full retail price. But like, they are not on sale. By the time we sell them on Amazon, they are not on sale anymore at the place where we found them. So price comparison doesn't make sense. As I said, AI is not going to solve those supply chain inefficiencies, because the reason why, as I said, and I was talking a little bit about that, but I digressed. The reason why I say this is because the reason why retailers run sales, run liquidations, is because most of the times, because, you know, they need to get more cash flow, they need to speed up their sales because they need to hit some quotas and stuff. And like, the reason they do this is just like us. For example, let's say, I know a lot of you guys source product with an Amex Plum, right? And you have 60 days to pay back your credit, like your credit card, your Amex Plum, right? Sometimes, you guys know it, you may start to reduce your price more and more and more because you want to get rid of inventory, right, faster, because the bills are coming. You need to liquidate to be able to pay your bills, right? And so it's the same thing on a different scale, of course, but it's the same thing with online retailers, right? It's the exact same thing. They need to liquidate their stuff, sometimes because they need cash flow, because X or Y reason, because they have too much stock coming, because they deal with big distributor, right? So they need to order stuff constantly and they need to liquidate stuff as well. Trends change and stuff. And like, this stuff that they need to liquidate may still sell fast on Amazon, all right? But they are not selling on Amazon, all right? And so this is where those supply chain inefficiencies are, you know? And like, AI is not gonna solve this for like a long time, like, right? The supply chain is a super difficult problem to solve. Like, how much you should order, how much you, or like, how long should you order to those products? Like, and because think of it, right? For you, for your Amazon business, which is a small operation, it's already hard enough to, you know, figure out all that stuff. Now, imagine for $1 billion, like $1 billion operation. How hard is it to fix supply chain problems? All right, how hard? Like, it's super hard to do, and AI is not gonna solve that problem, all right? Like ChatGPT, you guys saw ChatGPT, as I said, you guys lost your mind. ChatGPT is just a language model, someone you can talk about, someone you can talk with, basically, and it can give you answer that you can find on Google, all right? ChatGPT is nothing crazy. If you knew how to browse the web, you could do the exact same thing, get the same exact answers, right? Just you had to dig a little bit, it's just a little bit easier. But yeah. ChatGPT is not going to solve supply chain problems. So online arbitrage still has bright years in front of him, I should say. But yeah. So yeah, I think I spoke about the two levels where I think this was wrong. And yeah, AI is not going to solve those issues. Talking about the setup, yes, I said I'm traveling. So I'm still figuring out the setup. I'm recording with the lapel mic. I'm still trying to see where I can record and stuff, because I'm going to be traveling for a little while, not only here, but I'm going to move as well. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Watch these other videos on the screen if you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, if you want to keep listening to my takes when it comes to all that stuff. Hope it was helpful. Videos on the screen, link in the description for the Discord server. I'll see you tomorrow, new video every single day, even when I'm traveling.